Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video tutorial of WordPress mobile application. Basically, by using this application, the reader can read the blogs from anywhere and anytime, and they can also read the blogs of a particular author if they have shared the blogs with WordPress. They can also see the recently updated and most viewed blogs on the very home page. The blogs can be categorized on the basis of topics as well. So now let's move towards our Android mobile. But before I proceed further, kindly do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates from our end. And if you do like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Let's move towards our Android application. Now, as you can see, I'm having an Android mobile in which I have already installed the application from Google Play Store. Once you install the application from the Google Play Store, you will see this icon on the home page. For entering the app, you have to tap on the app. Once you open the app, you'll see the first page of the application where you're gonna see the most viewed and recent post as well. And if you want to open any blog, you have to click on the blog like this, and then you can see the whole blog and you can read the blog. You can also do the same on the recent post where you can see the blog by the author and the date as well. This is the blog portion, and if we tap on the knowledge base, here you can see the recent post, most viewed post. If you want to open, you have to tap on the blog and then you can read the blog. You can also see the author name and the date as well. On the bottom, you can see there is a home page. By clicking on the home page, you will see the home page and then the search option. After that, the category option. Then you can see the author option is there. Let's move towards the search option. Tap on the search option, and if you want to search any particular blog, you can search here. Like for example, I have searched design. The blogs related to design are there. If you want to read the blog, you have to click on the particular blog. Then you can read the blog. You can also see the author name and the date as well. Next, the knowledge base. If you want to see any blog related to design in knowledge base, then click on the knowledge base and search design. If there will be any blog, you'll see there only. Next option is category. Click on the category option. Then you can see the categories are there. If you want to open any category, just tap on that and you can see the blogs related to that particular category, the author name and the date when it is published. The next option is the author. By tapping on the author, you can see the blogs updated by the particular authors. If you want to read the blogs of a particular author, you can see from here. Just tap on the author name, like for example, Anchit Makkar, and you can see the blogs updated by the author. And you have to read the blog, you have to click on the blog and then you can see the whole blog. The author name, the date, when it has been updated. So, that was much about the WordPress mobile application from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding the application, you can reach back to us at support@webcool.com or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.